Okay, those of us who boost on Instagram, there's some new types of boosted posts available. So for a while, it has been restricted for you to boost anything that has a sticker or a GIF on it. And now you can. So you can now boost posts which feature any Instagram GIF stickers or any general stickers. They're now eligible to be boosted, which is great news. If you want to boost a post which has music restrictions, you can boost these by swapping the song for an illegible one. So you can edit the post and swap out the song for one that is commercially available for boosting. So they are basically just expanding the amount of posts you can boost. A little word on boosted posts. Remember, these are generally meant to be used for boosting engagement. So if you want more likes, comments, shares, or saves, they're not great for conversions. So boosted posts shouldn't really be used for driving people to your website, for making sales or bookings. So do be aware that generally it's for brand building and engagement.